haven't made like a video in a long time, and it's time. It's time to make another video. Oh my god. I'm gonna make chicken. My famous chicken. I feel like I should like, I'm not even in the, okay. We're just gonna have a good time and we're just gonna have fun and we're just gonna, yeah. Yeah. I feel like I should have, you know, brought out the spices and all that, but I'm not a legit YouTube channel, so until I get more poppin', we're just gonna deal with this, okay? So I have my chicken. I've already done, you know, my seasoning. I've done my salt and my pepper. It's kind of juicy. That's gross. Okay. I already done my seasoning, my salt and pepper. I've got pink Himalayan salt. We got our black pepper. We got paprika. We have cayenne pepper. We have lemon pepper. And chili powder. It's a very spicy. It's a very spicy chicken. So yeah, like I said, we have the salt, we have the pepper, and now we're gonna put in our cayenne pepper, and we're just gonna sprinkle her in. Just sprinkle. Just sprinkle her in. Oh my god, is this like my new thing? Like, am I gonna be like a cooking YouTuber? Like, oh my god. Definitely not. Definitely not, sis. Definitely not gonna be cooking, because the fuck. And now we're gonna put paprika. We're gonna put okay. You get it. We're gonna put paprika. So we're just gonna put a whole lot of paprika. Shit ton of paprika. Have you guys seen this thing where you go like this? And it like comes out? And we're just gonna put more paprika. Keep putting in paprika. Like, look at this. We're getting somewhere. Now when your hands look like this and look like you've touched period blood, we're gonna add a little bit of chili powder. Ugh. Oh my god. Now that your hands are clean again, kind of, we're gonna put chili powder. Did I put chili powder in already? We're just put a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. I really hope I didn't put chili powder in already, because that would really fucking suck. Lemon pepper. This is not the one that I usually use, but it's gonna have to do. We can't be picky. We can't. So we're just gonna put lemon pepper. Yes, adds a little sweetness to the chick. To the chick. And we're just gonna mix her up. I got it. Right here. Just mix her up. Yes. Should I add like more cayenne? A little more cayenne. That's it. I feel like really bad that I don't look somewhat presentable, but like, I don't want to start my channel off being a fake ass bitch. I don't want to do that. I want to be me, and you know, some days I'm gonna like look really pretty, and I'm gonna look like super ugly, and today is that day. Today's that day. Period. No cap. Period. No tampon. And now we're gonna get our handy dandy pan. Oh, our handy dandy pan. We're gonna set her up to the highest knob, because Girly, I don't have time. I don't have time to slow cook. We're gonna use olive oil. I should like bring you closer. Okay, so now we have a better setup. So like I said, we have the oil in the pan. You turn up to the highest point because sis who has the freaking time. And then we grab the chicken. And then, you know, you do what it do. Sorry, you put the chicken on the pan. Just like that. Yes, just like that. Yes. And you let it do the thing, you know? You let science take its course.